guys, a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today I'm doing one of your favorite festive food. So today we are doing a keto dal makhni and a keto naan. So first we'll go with the keto naan. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. So now we are doing keto butter naan. So here we have 80 grams of desiccated coconut, what I've taken. So I'm going to add 50 grams of psyllium husk to 80 grams of desiccated coconut. Next I'm going to add is 1 tablespoon of black kalonji seeds. And then next I'm going to add is a bit of pink Himalayan salt. Last I'm going to add is 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt or hum curd. And now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of lukewarm water. Now once you do this, you'll have a kind of thick dough which is formed. So you're going to just mix all of it together and leave this aside for the next 5 minutes so that it turns out to be a nice dough. And now I'm using a non-stick pan. I'm going to grease the pan with some white butter, you can see. To this I'm going to add my coconut naan what I've made. So I'm going to turn it into a slightly uneven shape and just place it. There you go. If you also want to roll it, you can take a parchment paper and roll it into thin rotis. But I'm just using my fist and I'm making the same. So our super easy and super quick keto naan is ready. The benefits of the same, it contains only 2 grams of net carbs. Apart from that, it has 1 gram of protein and 10 grams of fat. That means you can eat guilt-free and still be in your ketosis even during your festive season. Thank you so much. Request you to please go on to our page, hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. We do amazing videos with amazing recipes that's going to keep you in shape all year long. Thank you so much. Looking forward to see you next time.